Hey yo, what's poppin' guys? It's your boy Leon, man. You know I'm getting comfortable when I'm wearing the beater, wearing the sweats. We're about to review a new product I just got into the studio. I'm very excited about. Before we continue, I need all of you guys to smash that like button. I've been checking the stats. A lot of you have been watching the video supporting, but you haven't subscribed to the channel. What are you guys waiting for, man? Come on. You gotta subscribe. You gotta support your boy.
Spend all day on the phone anyhow.
I was talking to YouTube lately, and they were telling me the subscribe is free, actually. You guys don't have to pay nothing. You know, if you guys like it, you guys subscribe. You click the button. You click a bell. Boom.
Spend all day on the phone anyhow.
I don't even know what you're thinking about, man. Come on. Anyways, we're about to get into the video. I'm about to unbox this beauty right here. And we're gonna check it out. The Arturia Keylab 61 MK2. I've been using Akai for years. I buy all their products. I'm a huge supporter of Akai. I love their musical instruments. I think they're like one of the top in the game, but lately they've been slacking on me, man. They haven't made nothing new. They made the Advanced 61. I wasn't a fan of it. The MPK, I had the MPK 49, the original. I threw the Thursday music video party. I don't know if you guys seen that. That's just fire.
Talking like I give you life now. I swear we just making my life now. Taking new risks, making bands still. You ain't ready for the man still.
I'm not a hater. I actually love Akai, but I think it's time for me to move on. Plus my boy Fojo needs a keyboard, and I figure, you know, I could use some more sounds. I'll help my boy out. And it's honestly an amazing keyboard. I love this thing. I just need more keys to make my beats, man. You know, if Akai is watching this, send me some free keyboards in the future. I'll review them on this channel. Come on, man. You know what's good. This is not sponsored. I paid with my own money, but links down below if you want to check it out on Amazon and stuff. And let's get started, man. Let's get right into it. I got my trusty Home Depot knife. I've been waiting all day to open this. I'm very excited. So just boom, like butter. Man, I'm struggling. I'm probably gonna break this shit. Pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna pull off this. These feel pretty nice. Like straight up, I'm really used to this. Like I've been using this for years, man. Oh, I got some 808s. Shit, man. Woo! I don't want to spot. You know what? That's not what this video is for. But we're getting there. We're getting there. But yeah, just first impression. It's a lot thinner. It's a lot thinner. Look how thin this is. I'm gonna bring my. This is my second MPK, man. I've been through hell and back with these keyboards. It feels good to me, man. I know a lot of people say that like it's chunky keys, and I'll agree, like that feels a lot softer. I guess it's brand new. I haven't worked it in. I haven't even plugged it in. Feels like there's less like the space between where you click. It's like shorter. This is long. Like when I'm clicking the MPK, it's just long, man. It's like a long throw. I really like this for making beats. Like a lot of times, to be honest, I wouldn't even use these pads. The pads are amazing, but straight up I would just like, and they hit, bro. They hit. And it's like this is 61 keys, which is really what the selling factor was for me, man. Like comes with new sounds, more keys, so it's longer. It's a lot thinner, but it has weight. Like it's not light. Like this thing, like, I could curl this bad boy. Like, boom, get some game. I'm not trying to flex here. Come on. I haven't put this thing through the ringer yet, so I can't really speak too much on it. But it feels solid. You know what, man? Let me plug this in. How do you plug this thing in? Shit, my cord's too short, bro. I'm not even gonna front. It's been like 2 days since I started this video, mostly because I've been waiting for this. I got it from Amazon. It's just a USB extender, braided, pretty nice. I'm gonna try it out, let you know in real time how I like it. This thing had a ton of software and I had to figure out the new configurations in the settings to get all the controls working. So I've had a couple days to play with it since I started this video. So let's get into it. I'm gonna use this for the first time right now, so let's get it, bro. Pro tip, I know it messes with audio, but this is just MIDI, so I wouldn't do this with a microphone cable, but in this circumstance, definitely, I always do bunny tie, loop, tie. That way, even if it gets pulled, it's not gonna disconnect. Let's get a little bit closer and let's start this. Alright, I loaded up one of the sounds. It's called the Piano V2. I just want to compare the touch to the MPC, and I just made a little drum loop. Oh, super fire. I love my MPC Studio Black. If you guys want me to do a review on that, if you guys like this, make sure you thumbs up and comment down below you want a review on the MPC Studio Black. I had the machine. I wasn't the biggest fan. I like this way more for the music I do. The Akai MPK 249 versus the Arturia Keylab. This is me trying to play soft. This is really easy to play hard on this. This is 49 keys. This is 61, so I have an extra octave. So from here on in, I'm gonna try out some sounds and we'll jam to that. Woo! Because I like a good performance. Anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't want to make it too long, but we're just having a little fun playing with some of the new instruments. Made a little beat. Maybe I'll drop it. If you guys drop a comment, I'll be a little more motivated to give you guys a little something back for supporting me. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Easy guys.
How the Leon drop that beat, come?